Hey, this is Terrence Lamont with We Are Valuable Media, and I have been working on expanding myself, expanding my thinking process, gaining a greater understanding. And so I move on the earth plane, I move in the earth plane, and what I've been doing while I've been moving is opening up portals of consciousness, portals of understanding, deeper awareness, pretty much on a regular basis ever since I was a child. And I've always known that that was a possibility, that there were more opportunities, more portals of consciousness, more belief patterns that weren't getting enough attention. There was just something it has always been moving through me. And so as I got older, I began to recognize that motion and that movement was really what was solidly reflective and really necessary within me, that there was a depth and a clarity that was occurring, that was something I needed to pay attention to, I needed to catch, I needed to realize. And so when I got older, I moved along the earth plane consistently, searching for a way to understand, a way to even reflect back out of myself that which I was growing into. So I went to school, I read books, I studied different things. Acting became very attractive to me. I took acting classes and I started acting, and I started to realize more about my expression. I did rap music and singing, and not a school choir, but a very, very good church choir. We were very good. And so I've been expressing myself for quite a while. I've been learning, I've been understanding how. And as I have grown into that, I've been able to also stop and kind of get clear and recognize and realize the fullness of that, the wholeness within that, the infinite possibilities, the infinite opportunities have always been attractive to me. And I had to take time to really sit down and just be present in the presence of energy that was conducive and carry, something that would help me to carry, to consistent, to be moved, to care, deep within myself. And so the carrying that I'm referencing, I'm saying, giving me an opportunity to really carry that energy forward and be able to offer it in different ways, to teach it, to share it, to create just within myself, and just be very much fulfilled in the process. And it is something I'm supposed to do. And so what I'm recognizing is that there are a lot of people who believe that they know something, and that they want there to be times when they are heard, and so they fight and they argue and they pursue this knowledge, they pursue this way of being that I'm referencing, that I'm referring to. And they get to the point where they are also disappointed because it's not happening. The recognition that I'm having, the realization that I'm having, the recognition that I'm having is that it's only for some people sometimes. And so if you're one of these people who struggle with feeling like you're not being heard, or like you're not getting your just due, that can lead to a lot of things, a lot of terrible things, a lot of negative things, a lot of hurtful things. So I just want y'all to know that you don't need to be heard. You don't need to be seen. You don't need to be, you don't have to be known. You just are. All that's not a need. That's an ego desire. Actually what is needed is for us to just be who we're supposed to be, who we came to the planet to be, and to recognize the joy of expression within our self-being on the planet. And other people don't need to recognize you. It's the creative process that is important, that grows you, that elevates you from a soul perspective. So just genuinely continue to recognize your full belief in yourself, your true reality, and I think you'll have a much better life. All right, peace be with you.